Hello, what's up, guys? My name is Akansha Chauhan, and I would like to welcome all of you to the first React series of my YouTube channel. In this series, we will learn a complete React from starting to end. React आज की तारीख में सबसे ज़्यादा single page application बनाने वाली library है. This tool is maintained by Facebook and its job is in great demand. So, if you don't know what is single page application, so, single page application is an application that load only once and all the rest is done by JavaScript. Whether it is navigating from one page to another means बिना पेज को रिलोड किए एक ही पेज पर रन होती है. आप लोगों ने डेफिनेटली ऐसी एप्लीकेशन यूज की ही होगी. सबसे पहले हमें ये जानना जरूरी है कि रिएक्ट है क्या. React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. React is also well known for developing and designing complex mobile user interface and web applications. React uses the computer-based approach which ensure to help you build components that possess high usability. Okay, so now we will see the history of React. React was first designed by Jordan Walker, a software engineer at Facebook. It was first deployed for Facebook news feed around 2011. In 2013, React was open source at JavaScript conference. So, in last, this is very important question whether React is a library or a framework. React is not a framework. React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. It is also known as React.js, React.js, so don't get confused. So now without wasting any time, let's start installation. Okay, so type node.js install, click on the first link. So if you don't know what is Node.js, then Node.js is runtime environment of JavaScript, which helps you to execute JavaScript. If you install Node.js, then only you will be able to run JavaScript without browser. That's why we are going to install it. So मैंने तो इंस्टॉल कर लिया है. अगर आप विंडोज़ पर हैं तो आप विंडोज़ इंस्टॉल करिए. अगर आप मैक यूज़र हैं तो आप मैक इंस्टॉल करिए. So after installation, click on the button next and it will be installed. Okay, so then we have to download Visual Studio Code. After installing it, we have to download some extensions also, and after installation, please open your command prompt and check node minus version and npm minus version to see the version of your node. And after complete installation, we have to download some extension also. So सबसे पहले हम install करेंगे ES7. I have already installed it, so please install this. And then we have to download bracket pair colorizer. Then we will download Babel JavaScript, and the last one ES6 JavaScript. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching my video. In the next video we will create our first React app. तब तक के लिए thank you.